How pretty it is. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Manu. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe. I post new videos whenever I have energy. So today I'm gonna unbox a piano that I bought, a keyboard. I'm really excited. I used to have a keyboard back in the day, play piano, and I've been wanting to get one for the longest time. Finally got one, so it's only unboxing. So I already started kind of unboxing it because it's pretty tough. Like, look at this box. It's huge. Oh, by the way, this is the Casio WK245 digital keyboard. I bought it on Amazon. So yeah, this is the stand that came with the keyboard because it was a set that came with the stand, some headphones, which I don't really need, but I don't know what headphones these are. Samsung. And the keyboard, obviously. It costs less to buy the set than to buy the stand separately, so I just bought it like that. Sorry, I'm like filming on the floor. So I'm gonna open the stand first because I love saving the best for last. Oh, okay, so I have to like build this? Or what? What? There's like a bunch of pieces, which I'm guessing I'm gonna have to build. That's fun. I actually really like building like IKEA furniture. I think I'm a pro. I think I'm pretty good at it. Not a pro, but I enjoy it. My friends all think I'm weird. I don't know if there's any instructions or if this is like apparently really easy to do. Okay, yeah. Just the instructions and a tool. So single X keyboard stand. Yes, let's build this. This is fun. Okay. How do you do this? What's at the top of it? Which side? The little holes? Okay, I'm gonna fast forward this because you're probably not here to see me build this. So. So I just built the stand. That's what it looks like. But yeah, now I'm gonna unbox the piano. The most important part. See, it's just so beautiful. Keyboard. It's a 71 key keyboard. 76, sorry, 76 keys. So Casio digital keyboard WK245. There's my key. Alright, what is this? I think this is like the charger and the music stand. I didn't see the music stand. It's so cool. Here it is. Here is the actual keyboard. Let's open this. Oh my god, it's so beautiful and I can't even see it yet. This is some serious packaging. So pretty. Wow, it's so much bigger than I thought. Let's put it on the stand and see what it looks like. Here's the keyboard. I'm sorry, it's so messy. But it's so nice. How pretty it is. I wanna go play it. Alright, so I'm gonna go set it up in my room actually. Okay guys, so I already set it all up in my room and it looks so nice. I'm so excited to play it. Me and Betty. Betty's a good name for her. Or should it be a he? What do you guys think I should name my keyboard? Should I even do that? I feel like it'd be cute. It's like I'm gonna play with Betty. I don't know. But yeah guys, that's basically it. That's the unboxing of the Casio WK245 digital keyboard. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Also, why is my hair up in a bun? Like, see you guys in another video. Also, if you guys want like a review, like more in depth, let me know in the comments. I will do that. I am planning on posting a lot of covers with the piano keyboard. So if you have any song requests too, comment down below. I'm so excited. Like, this is like a dream come true for me. Like, back to the piano, like when I was little.